All righty, my friends. Hello and welcome. Welcome back to part 1D here, right? And we started off with this growth pattern, and then we created our t-chart, discovered our iterative function, realized that our iterative function is the same as our coefficient. We colored our coefficient blue, right? And then we discovered our constant, which had never changed. We colored that in red. We used this and the iterative function to create our formula of S times 4 plus 2, and then we tested that formula 1, 2, 3 times to make sure that it would work for any section. And now we need to discover, and we were told in the beginning that there are 39 different creatures in all that are attacking your school, and they're growing at the same rate as this wall that we're building. So we need to figure out how many blocks we're going to need for the 39th, let's just write that right here, 39th section, right? And that is a big deal, my friends, isn't it? So let's go ahead and solve this. All we have to do to solve for this is to use our formula. So we're going to just go S times 4 plus 2, and now we'll plug in the 39. So we got 39 times 4 plus 2, bam. And then we are going to do the multiplication first. So 4 times 9 is going to give you 36. Let's go ahead and drop the 6 here. And I'm going to carry the 3 up here. I'm going to hide it right there in red. And then I'm going to go 4 times 3 is 12, right? Plus this 3 here is going to give me 15. So I'm going to go ahead and drop the 15 right there. And I get 156. Now I'm going to drop the rest of the equation, the plus 2, right? And now all I have to do is add 2 to this, and that's going to give me 158, and we are going to need that many blocks to build the 39th section of this wall, and that is lovely, my friends. Hey, guess what? That is all you have to do for this entire problem. So once you have once you are done copying all this, you're done and you're ready to move on to challenge number 2. Until then, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.